Hi there. So if you ever wanted to control your appliances or gadget remotely using ESP8266, stay tuned. Great. Now we are basically ready to build and upload this code. So I'm going to go ahead and straight build and upload. Great. The build is completed and now you can actually see how much space in terms of RAM and flash your code is currently occupying into your ESP device. So now we can go ahead and start the upload. It will automatically start uploading. There we go. We are basically uploading the code, as you can see on the blinking on the ESP8266 device. Great stuff. So now if you didn't update your upload speed, this process might take slightly longer. So that is why it's important that you update your upload speed. Now the power is already switched on my Vero board here. Let's go ahead and confirm that. As you can see, we've got about 8 volts, so that is a voltage that will be driving the buzzer and the LED. Obviously we're not going to be controlling the relay because this relay need about 12 volts, so that's a subject for another tutorial where we can deal with that. So right now we basically going to turn on that transistor. It's a BJT, and that will then drive the buzzer. The signal to control the BJT is the blue wire that's connected on D1 of the ESP8266. Great stuff. Now it's time to test the application. We know that the ESP should be able to handle the on-off commands. So I've got the on command. I will publish it. The LED turns on and the buzzer is buzzing. Now I'm gonna write off, publish it. You can see the off command is gone and the LED is off and the buzzer is also off. Let's send another on command, publish it. There we go. On command, send, LED on, buzzer on. Off command, one more time, publish on, and then publish off. There we go. As you can see, this is very instant. I've placed 100 millisecond delay. Just to delay a bit, you can remove the delay or you can even make it larger. That depends on you. So this application can be used anywhere from anywhere, assuming that you can access the server. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like. Gives it a thumbs up. Until next time, cheers.